Do you have a Bluetooth device? Meaning that if you have a smartphone, like an iPhone or maybe an Android phone, maybe you have a tablet that has a Bluetooth capability. How would you like to be able to have, instead of listening to it in the little headphone speakers, how would you like to be able to hear it in amplified, powerful speakers? That's what we have for you today as one of our sold outrageous deals here on MyCoolGadgets.com. When you take a look at it, it's two great speakers that connect easily with your Bluetooth phone or Bluetooth device. Hit Bluetooth, it actually couples up with it, and then you can listen to your music. Your phone could be way over there, but the speakers could be right over here. Better yet, what about a computer that has Bluetooth capabilities? Now you have computer speakers without having the wires. Now there are three ways that you can hook up to this system. Whether it's with the included cables that come along with it, you can hook it by USB as well, or you could even put it into Bluetooth and the special SD card slot, which is a memory card, where then you can actually put your hundreds or thousands of songs right on it so it can play pretty much anywhere. It could be in your office, could be in your bedroom, it could be in a living room. You can put it right up with your TV as well. So this is a remarkable system, and what we've done right now, we've dropped the price dramatically, meant for sellout. The quantities are limited. So if you've been looking for a system, or you know somebody in your shopping list for the holidays that's been looking for a great speaker system that they can hook up to their phone without having a wire, it's Bluetooth, and it's available right now as a sold outrageous deal. So get online right here on our website at MyCoolGadgets.com and buy it before they're gone.